99% of car owners have no idea these baking soda tricks actually work, and some of these tricks can save you over $2,000 in car repairs. Here is the shocking part. Most of these hacks are used by DIY enthusiasts, professional detailers, and even restoration experts. In this video, I'm going to uncover 11 baking soda tricks that can save you thousands in car repairs. Let's get into it. Trick number 11. The 60-second headlight restoration. If your car is more than a few years old, your headlights are likely suffering from oxidation. It is true that polycarbonate plastic headlights are coated with a UV film from the factory, but over time, sunlight destroys that coating, leaving them foggy, yellow, and dangerous. In fact, AAA tests reveal that oxidized headlights can reduce light output by up to 80%. A shop will easily charge you $100 for a headlight restoration kit, or try to upsell you on whole new housings. But here, baking soda works as a lifesaver for your headlights. On the Mohs hardness scale, baking soda sits right around a 2.5. That means it's hard enough to shave off the microscopic layers of yellow oxidation, but soft enough that it won't scratch the underlying polycarbonate plastic. Here is how you can restore your headlights using baking soda. Step 1. Mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water to form a thick paste. Step 2. Now, apply thick paste to a microfiber cloth and rub it firmly into the headlight lens in circular motions for about 1 minute. Step 3. Wipe off your headlight lens with a clean, wet cloth and watch the cloudiness disappear. After rinsing, many drivers notice a major improvement in clarity and brightness. For even better results, finish with wax or UV protectant to slow future oxidation. Trick number 10. Restore corroded battery terminals. Battery corrosion is responsible for thousands of roadside breakdowns every year. Automotive technicians estimate that poor battery connections can reduce charging efficiency by up to 30%, which forces the alternator to work harder than necessary. That white, blue, or green crust around battery terminals is not just ugly. It creates resistance that can cause slow cranking, dim headlights, warning lights, and even complete no-start situations. Replacing damaged battery cables or electrical components can cost hundreds of dollars. But baking soda can stop the problem early. Here is how to perform this trick. Step 1. First, disconnect the battery terminals, starting with the negative side. Step 2. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a cup of warm water. Step 3. Dip an old toothbrush into the solution and scrub the corroded areas thoroughly. You will immediately see fizzing because baking soda neutralizes acidic corrosion from the battery. Step 4. After cleaning, wipe everything dry. Step 5. Now apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to help prevent future corrosion. This simple trick can extend battery life, improve starting performance, and prevent expensive electrical repairs. Trick number 9. Restore wiper blade. A good set of silicone or rubber windshield wipers will cost you $40 to $70 a pair. But consumer data shows most drivers end up replacing their wipers every 6 months because they start streaking or squeaking. But most of the time, the rubber blade has not actually failed. It's just coated in road grime, tree sap, and acidic windshield washer fluid crust that hardens the edge. Instead of throwing them away, we can strip that layer clean using baking soda. Here is how to use baking soda for your wipers. Step 1. Dampen a cloth microfiber towel and sprinkle a heavy coating of baking soda onto it. Step 2. Now run the cloth up and down the rubber edge of the wiper's blades several times. Step 3. After cleaning, rinse the blade with clean water. The rubber is now supple, clean, and ready to sweep perfectly clear for another 6 months. Trick number 8. Remove bad AC smells without expensive cleaning. Have you ever started your car and noticed a moldy or musty smell coming from the vents? That's often a sign of moisture accumulation inside the HVAC system. Many dealerships charge $100 to $300 for odor removal treatments and HVAC sanitization services. However, baking soda offers a surprisingly effective first line of defense. Baking soda works because it neutralizes acidic odor particles instead of simply masking them like air fresheners do. For this trick, follow these steps. Step 1. Sprinkle baking soda lightly onto your car's floor mats and carpets, especially near the front footwells where moisture builds up. Step 2. Now let it sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight for stronger odors. Step 3. After waiting, perform vacuum cleaning of your car interior thoroughly. You can also place a small open container of baking soda under the seat overnight to absorb moisture and smells from the cabin air. This trick is especially effective during humid weather when mold buildup becomes more common. A fresher interior also reduces strain on cabin filters and AC airflow systems. Trick number 7. Neutralize battery acid spills before rust starts. Battery acid is one of the most aggressive corrosive substances commonly found in vehicles. Just a small leak of battery acid can begin attacking metal surfaces, wiring brackets, battery trays, and surrounding components. If it is left untreated, corrosion can spread underneath paint and create structural damage that costs hundreds of dollars to repair. But here, baking soda acts as a lifesaver. It is highly effective because it neutralizes sulfuric acid almost immediately. If you notice acid residue or staining around the battery compartment, then immediately sprinkle baking soda directly onto the affected area. The bubbling reaction indicates that the acid is being neutralized. Once the reaction stops, rinse carefully with water and dry the area thoroughly. This simple maintenance habit can stop corrosion before it spreads and save you from expensive rust repair bills later. Trick number 6. Structural plastic welding. Modern cars are built out of composite plastics. When a simple plastic bumper clip, trim piece, or headlight bracket snaps, a dealership will rarely sell you just the clip. They force you to buy the entire component. A single broken plastic tab on a modern headlight can require a full housing replacement costing anywhere from $400 to over $1,000. In this process, you need to use liquid superglue and dry baking soda. Here's how to do it. Step 1. First, thoroughly clean the cracked bumper area to remove dust, grease, and loose plastic fragments. Step 2. Now align the crack and held tightly in position. Step 3. Next, apply a layer of superglue along the crack line. Step 4. Immediately after that, sprinkle baking soda over the glue. Step 5. To strengthen it further, the process can be repeated in layers until the damaged section is fully reinforced. Step 6. After it hardens, sand smooth and paint the surface to match the bumper color. Many DIY repair enthusiasts use this trick as a temporary or semi-permanent fix to avoid expensive body shop visits. Trick number 5. Remove grease and oil stains from the engine bay. A dirty engine bay makes it harder to detect leaks and can even trap heat around components. Professional engine detailing services can cost a lot, but baking soda offers a safer DIY alternative for light cleaning. Because baking soda is mildly abrasive and absorbs oils, it helps break down grime without using harsh chemicals that can damage plastics or rubber hoses. Here's how to use this trick. Step 1. Sprinkle baking soda over greasy areas. Step 2. Gently scrub the areas using a damp brush. Step 3. For stubborn buildup, mix baking soda with dish soap and warm water. Step 4. Let it sit for a few minutes before wiping clean. This trick helps reveal leaks early, which can prevent major engine damage from unnoticed oil or coolant problems. A cleaner engine bay also helps improve resale value because buyers often judge maintenance by cleanliness. Trick number 4. Non-scratch chrome and alloy wheel renovation. Chrome trim and alloy wheels are constantly exposed to brake dust, road salt, and oxidation. And studies show that brake dust particles can start bonding to wheel surfaces in under 48 hours. Over time, this buildup becomes extremely hard to remove and can permanently dull the finish. Professional wheel refinishing can cost between $100 to $300 per wheel, but baking soda offers a safe, non-scratch alternative for restoring shine when used correctly. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Mix baking soda with a small amount of water to create a soft paste. Not too thick, not too runny. This paste acts as a mild micro-abrasive cleaner that helps lift oxidation and brake dust without damaging the clear coat. Step 2. Apply paste gently onto alloy wheels or chrome surfaces using a microfiber cloth or soft sponge. The key here is pressure control. Instead of scrubbing aggressively, Step 3. After cleaning, rinse thoroughly with water and dry immediately to prevent water spotting. For long-term protection, a thin layer of wax or wheel sealant can be applied afterward. Trick number 3. Finding elusive vacuum leaks. When your car throws a P0171 System 2 Lean trouble code, it means unmetered air is entering the engine through a cracked or dry-rotted rubber vacuum line. This causes rough idling, stalling, and terrible fuel economy. Mechanics often charge a $100 diagnostic fee just to hook the car up to a specialized smoke machine to find the microscopic tear. But you can save these $100 by using a $2 baking soda. Here is how to use baking soda to find vacuum leaks. Step 1. Put a few tablespoons of dry baking soda into a small, clean condiment squeeze bottle or a clean turkey baster. Step 2. With the engine idling roughly, gently puff small clouds of dry baking soda powder over the suspect areas of the rubber vacuum hoses and intake gaskets, which will cause a brief, localized change in engine RPM. That's your clue. You have just identified the exact location of the leak without expensive diagnostic equipment. Trick number 1. Remove bug residue before it damages paint. Many people don't realize that bug splatter is acidic. During hot weather, dead insects can begin damaging clear coat paint in as little as a few days. Professional paint correction can easily cost $500 to $2,000. But baking soda can help loosen stubborn bug residue without using harsh chemicals. Here is how to remove bug residue using baking soda. Step 1. Mix baking soda and water into a paste. Step 2. Now, gently apply it to affected areas on the front bumper, mirrors, and hood. Step 3. Let it sit for several minutes before wiping away with a microfiber towel. Preventing paint damage today can save major repainting costs later. So, there you have it. It's amazing that a product costing just a few dollars can help prevent battery failures, reduce corrosion, and even protect your vehicle from rust. Now, we want to hear from you. Which baking soda trick are you going to try first? Leave your answer in the comments below. See you in the next video.